Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a bootable pen drive or bootable media for Ubuntu Linux Mint operating system. So first of all, we just need to search for download Linux Mint. Hit search. The very first link will come for linuxmint.com. It's a project basically it's an open source project basically. So you just need to click on it, download the ISO file. So it comes in three desktop editions actually: Cinnamon, Mate, XFC. XFCE. So I'll be using Cinnamon for this purpose. Just click on it and search for your nearest download location. So for this purpose I'll be using India. You can search as well. Okay, you can click on it. For saving the time, I have already downloaded this file, and this is one step. Second step is we need to download the Balena Etcher. Search for download Balena Etcher. It will take you to the balena.io. By the way, whatever operating system you are using, if you are using Windows, it will automatically show you here download for Windows 64-bit or something like that. If you are using Linux, it will show you Linux x64 actually. In this case, I'm already using Linux, so I'll be using it already gave me this download for Linux actually. So I have already downloaded it, so navigate it to that path now. These are two things which you need to keep in mind. Now I have attached my USB media. So here is my Balena Etcher. Just double click on it. It's a zip file, so you need to extract it actually. So extract it somewhere. I'll be using this path. Extract it. Show the files. Now this is the extracted file actually. Just double click on it. Now this is the UI of Balena Etcher. Now flash from file, flash from URL. Pretty flash from file, flash from URL, and clone drive. You can clone your existing bootable pen drive to the new one actually. So I'll be using flash from file. Linux Mint 64-bit. Open. Select the target where you want to burn it. So I have this external media which is 32-bit transcon drive. Just select it, select, and just flash it. It will ask for the authentication for since it's a Linux, so it is basically asking for sudo actually in CLIPs. The whole process takes approximately 2 to 3 minutes, and it will first flash this to the media and then it will validate it. Now it is validating the flashing. It will be pretty quick. Now you can see the flash is completed and your bootable media is ready. Now you just need to plug in any of the machine and just make sure to boot it through the USB media. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.